In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Notion consultant. We'll follow a clear path. Start with the Notion Academy learning tracks. Build a credible portfolio of public templates. And then get certified through the Notion Solutions Partner Program. Begin with the Notion Academy learning paths. Essentials, Workflows, and Advanced. Essentials helps you master the fundamentals: pages, blocks, databases, and permissions so you can navigate confidently and explain concepts to future clients. Workflows shows you how to turn those fundamentals into real systems, like content calendars, CRMs, and project trackers, with linked views and relations. Advanced takes you deeper into database architecture, formulas, rollups, and nuanced permissioning, which are crucial when you are designing reliable setups for teams. Treat the Academy like a structured bootcamp. Set aside focused study sessions, take notes in your own Notion workspace. Recreate the sample builds step by step, and challenge yourself to adapt them to different scenarios. Keep a running list of topics you find tricky so you can revisit them and monitor your progress to stay accountable. Next, build a portfolio by creating and sharing public templates that demonstrate your expertise and build credibility. Start with templates that solve common problems. Think project management, client onboarding, meeting notes, or goal tracking. Aim for clarity and polish. Use intuitive naming, clean layouts, thoughtful database schemas, and helpful filters and views. Add brief written instructions at the top of each template, explaining who it's for, how to duplicate it, and how to customize it. If your template relies on relations, rollups, or formulas, annotate those choices so people understand the logic. Share your templates publicly using Notion's share features, and include a short description and visuals to help people grasp the value quickly. Gather feedback. Iterate based on what users find confusing or time-consuming. And keep a simple change log so improvements are visible. Over time, curate your best work into a small, high-quality library that reflects the kind of consulting projects you want. Finally, get certified by applying to become a Notion Solutions partner. Once approved, complete the required exams, which often include the administrator and service specialist exams. Prepare by reviewing official documentation, practicing workspace administration settings and stress, testing advanced features like complex database relations, formula logic, granular permissions, and lifecycle workflows. Study how governance, security, and change management apply inside Notion. And be ready to explain your decisions clearly. Schedule your exams when you can focus, and document your prep so you can quickly refresh before test day. After you pass, keep your skills current by tracking product updates and refining your templates accordingly, so your consulting stays sharp and relevant. Follow these 3 pillars and you'll be on your way to becoming a trusted Notion consultant. Thanks for watching.